Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the MX Player app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's head into the video. I'm going to do in two steps. The first step is we're going to allow your device install apps from unknown sources. The second step, we're going to install the application and get into your system. So we'll open it and you'll be able to start using it at the end of this tutorial. Just follow step by step. At the end of this, you should find success. If you found it successful and insightful, like the video, give us some encouragement by subscribing and be part of the family. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to settings. I'm going to go to all settings and I'm navigating down to system. Under system, I'm going to about. And then about, I'm looking for the build number. So I find the build number right here. I want you to click on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will make you a developer. You see, I'm already a developer. That's what that message is saying. So if you're a developer, you are now able to download and install apps from unknown sources. Head back out. Just to confirm this, you could look at the list below, to the left rather, and you will find these developer options. That means you were successful with that procedure. The next thing we're going to do is go to the APK Time application where we'll be downloading the app of choice. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to download and install the MX Player app. So under APK Time, open the app. If you do not have the app already installed, check the link in the description for a video that shows you exactly how to do that. When you have the app, open it up and you find yourself on this page. So this is the first page. You find this list, the different category of apps. So head down to the category that says players and browsers, click on it, and scroll down this list until you find MX Player app. So I already have the app downloaded, I just did. Now you could download the app by clicking on this button right here. So when you find the green toggle on the download button and it's green, that's where the cursor is. So just click on that and the app will begin to download. When it finishes downloading, you find the installation process starting. So in my case, I've already downloaded the app, so just click on this download button, begins the installation process. So the app is staging. I'll give it a few seconds. And now, if you do not find this install button right here, the way you have it on the screen, it's because this is your first time. So you'll find the option that says unknown sources pop up. So what you need to do is to go down that list. You find a list of apps, navigate down, and you find the APK Time application. Just click on that toggle to turn it on. Now when APK Time is turned on, APK Time now has the permission to install an application from an unknown source. From there, you're going to find this install button. Click on it, and the app is going to be installed. So just sit tight and wait for the app to finish installing. I'm going to open the application. A very important note, you could open it from here, or you go back to the app settings, or rather app library. I'm navigating the app library, and you see the application, the MX Player. So I've clicked on that, and the app is going to launch. So if you ask to update the app, just follow the procedures on screen to update any application you download, and there you go, you can enjoy the application from there. So if you found that insightful, always hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.